All the best.
Okay, I think we are live. Let's double check our connections. Hi everyone, I'm Aditya Sharma. With me, I have my co-host Dr. Amit Lal.
Hi
Uh,
everyone. Hi.
guys,
Okay. So I
just
can already see a few people live on YouTube.
okay. Let me
Check on
double check.
LinkedIn. I'll check on YouTube.
Okay,
Um,
let's see.
yes. So we are live.
We're live on this
YouTube.
LinkedIn as well. Let's see. Da, da,
Hello
da.
everyone. Hi Seher. How are you? Okay. I can see a lot of people. Hi Deepika. Waiting for Aditya sir. Aditya sir is in demand. Eh?
Still can't see. Da, 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 da.
On
Okay,
LinkedIn.
now I can see. Now I can see. Like somehow it took some time for me, but it is live now. Okay, we can see few people on LinkedIn as well as on YouTube. Okay, guys. So if we can get started with a quick introduction, that would be great. So I am currently based out of Miami, Florida. Dr. Amit, where are you located?
So hi everyone. This is Dr. Amit, Head of Business Operations at High Counselor, currently located in Toronto, Canada. So if you can also let us know where you are located right now, from where are you dialing in today?
Mhm. Yep. Just write in the chat box. That would be very helpful. So we have, let's see, da, da, da.
Morgan says, good morning. Good morning, Morgan. Okay, I am from Tampa. Okay, great. Indonesia, Miami. Somebody's from Miami, Jennifer.
It's from Miami. Okay, Jennifer, I'm exactly on South Beach in Miami Beach area. Not sure where you are, but shouldn't be too far. Okay, okay.
Victor from Ghana.
Cool. So, guys, before we move forward, so this event is a little bit different compared to our previous events, right? We realized that, okay, job search is sometimes too exhausting, right? It becomes sometimes too boring where we only talk about, okay, what jobs are there, right? What skills are needed, and this and that. I mean, our objective is still the same to help people land their dream job, right? But let's make it a little bit fun. Let's make it a little bit learning experience as well, right? That's where this is our first initiative in this direction, right? Where we will be learning as well as playing some games, right, with some of the amazing gifts during this session that we'll distribute. So I would highly recommend you guys to please share it with your network, because the more people we have in this game, the more fun it will be, right? So please take a moment to share it on your LinkedIn profile, on your YouTube, just quickly, right? So probably you can repost it. You should be able to see a button called repost or share with your network right on this particular event. That would be very helpful. And yeah, and let me know what you think about this idea. uh, Feel free to write in the chat box, right? Is this something that you guys are looking for? Anything else that you want to recommend? Okay, but please take a moment to share it first of all with your network.
And this learning, this games are also we have decided on these games in such a way that we'll be targeting some specific skills which are required for the job role. So I believe that that will make it more interesting, because you are not only enjoying this particular session, at the same time you are also testing your skills, and how good you are in different kind of skills which are required by top companies.
Mhm.
So, like in the LinkedIn also, do we have that share button, Adit?
Yeah, so on LinkedIn there is, I think, a repost or share button. So if you can quickly do this, guys, that would be very helpful. On YouTube there is a clear share button over there. You can click on this and share with your network. You can share the link with your friends. I mean, if you have more people over here, it will be more fun, right? And in this event we will be giving Netflix subscription, we'll be giving LinkedIn subscription, we'll be giving Starbucks coupons, as well as Amazon gift card as well. So four diverse sets of gift for everyone, and I think it'll be helpful for any job seeker or anyone who's professional as well. But yeah, but please take a time, and then we'll get started. And once you guys are done with like sharing it with your network, if you can simply comment that done from my end, then we'll move forward, right? So just write like shared with my network, right? Shared, you can just write word like shared, so that we get to know that they are good to move ahead. Okay. In the meantime, let me check it on my end. I'm sharing it with my friends and my network as well.
Hmm. Okay. And if you can also let us know what role you are exactly targeting, that
Mhm.
would also be great. So I have shared it on my LinkedIn now.
Perfect. I'm also doing it. Okay, guys, let us know in the chat box whether you've shared or not. We are good to move ahead, or you want to wait and invite a few of your friends. Uh,
Shiva
so,
says done, shared. Deepika says shared. Thank you. Thank you. Tinashi says shared. Thank you. Data analyst or data scientist entry level done. Sai Surya says shared. Thank you. So I believe that, and this will be fun, guys. To be very honest, you will enjoy this particular. This is not about a project or something. This is a lot of about like basic skills which are required for anyone. I believe today, and I believe these skills are required in each and every role. I believe it's not only about data. Or it's only about the these are some basic skills which everybody should have, and that's why we have like started the design. The game has been designed in such a way that more people will enjoy also, they will learn also, they will test also themselves. So make sure that you can invite more people, let more people join in, and they should be really fun, and we'll be bringing up more kind of, because if we this session is successful, definitely it motivates us to go us for more sessions like this.
Mhm.
Okay.
what job roles people are targeting? Let's have a look at that, and then
Yes,
we'll
data
jump in.
analyst, SQL developer, or data science. I don't have a work experience. That's not a problem. This is a fun event with lots of learning. Okay, Priya says share. Thank you, Priya, for sharing it.
Okay. So I think we are good to get started. Before we jump into, Amit sir, you want to cover anything? Guys, I would also like to know like how many of you are first time users, like, and how many of you are repeat users.
Hmm.
Uh, so that would be very helpful. And if you can let us know uh, at the end of this event, if you can let us know like if you would like to see more of such events, anything else that we could add, right? That would be amazing. So would really appreciate your feedback there. Okay, cool.
That's great. Okay. So guys, if you can also let us know, let's ask Adit from all the participants over there, what skills you believe apart from coding in a particular language, what other skills you believe is required to become a data scientist or data analyst? If you can write those roles, what other skills you believe that people must have in get in landing into a job, rather than just coding in Python, or maybe just coding in SQL. What other things you believe that they should be definitely with that person?
Yep.
Yeah.
Because
And
there's a lot of
yes,
times, we have helped like more than we are recently doing this count, and we've figured out that we have helped more than 600 candidates so far land a job in software engineering and data science job roles. And it was not always about coding, right? It's a combination of skills that are required by companies, and that's when we want candidates to know to just not focus on like coding skills rather than many other I would say required the fundamental skills. So okay, so people have
okay,
shared.
lot of answers now. Data science projects, so no, not related to the work, like projects and internship. This is all about like other skills, like storytelling. Yes, this is a good skill required. Presentations, okay. Statistical knowledge, again, a little bit more on the academic side. Presentation and delivery, okay. Communication, presentation, SQL, Python, again, not coding. Excel is something basic. Yeah, Excel is again one of those skills. A lot of people ignore it, but I believe a lot of initial level roles do use a lot of Excel. So you should be
Mhm.
very, very good with Excel formulas and all. Teamwork, okay, great. Understanding the given data. Now, this is a good understanding a given data. That means more related to data mining or uh, statistics, Excel, tableau. A lot of people commenting. Customer service, okay. Analytical skills, okay. Critical thinking, okay. So I guess we are getting those points which we were expecting. Problem solving, good. And what else we have? Visualization skills, communication, attention to detail, business knowledge, analytical thinking, problem solving, analytical skills. I guess a lot of people have commented. Thank you so much, guys. I believe a lot of things will be tested today. And
Yep.
this section only will be testing a lot of skills today only. Domain knowledge.
And guys, I see only 17 people right now. Those who have just joined, guys, just want to let you know that this is a game show, right? In which we will help you learn a few things related to data science, right, or software engineering, but at the same and some of the fundamental skills basically that are required. But on top of it, we have combined this with uh, awards, right? Some Netflix subscription, LinkedIn. So this is like a game show, trying to make it a little bit fun. So we want more and more participation here. I see 17 people have shared this event, but I think there are 70, 75 people live here. Guys, if you can just take one moment, and there's a button called repost. If you can repost on that button, right, share it with your network, we'll be able to have a lot more people over here. Okay. So please take a moment and to quickly reshare this event. Okay. Okay, that's great. So, Amit sir, are we good to get started?
Yes, we should start now.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay, logical reasoning, regular user, problem solving, mathematics. Okay, visualization, domain knowledge. I guess a lot of things have been covered, but we'll be testing you today on these skills only.
Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Let me clean my screen really quick. Da-da-da. Okay, I'll share my screen, guys. Hmm. Mr. Can you see my screen now?
Yes. No, I still
You can't see it.
no,
Give me
we
one
can't see it right
second.
now.
This is not. I don't know why it's not coming up. Guys, just give me 1 second. I think I had my Zoom on as well, which was not allowing me to share my StreamYard screen, I guess. Yes, so I've closed it. Should be able to do it now. Let's see if it works. It seems to be working. Can you see my screen now? Dr. Amit, can you confirm really quick if you can see my
Yeah,
screen?
I can see your screen now.
Hmm. Okay, guys. So, Again, thanks everyone for taking your time for this particular event, for your interest. I hope we'll have hundreds of people live. We have I think cumulatively 100 plus people live in this event, combined on YouTube and our LinkedIn channel. In future, we expect to make it like a big event, right? But we'll need your participation. We'll need your inputs there, right? So to get started, basically this is a data science game show, right? The objective is that you do learn, but you also take some exciting gifts at the end of this event. We plan to do this event at least once a week. Okay. Quick introduction about my background. Uh, so I did my engineering back in India. I did my masters from Duke University in 2015. After my masters, I can see a lot of candidates who have a very similar background to me. They did their bachelor's in engineering, and then recently they completed their masters. I landed my first job at PricewaterhouseCoopers in Chicago, worked there for about a year, and then moved to Deloitte Consulting in San Francisco as a senior Salesforce consultant. Worked there for about 3 years. And during my time at Deloitte, I was part of their recruitment team where I used to interview candidates on every weekend. On every Friday, I visited a lot of universities to hire talent. And that's what caught my attention to this space of career mentorship, finding the dream job, right? So in 2020, I left my job from Deloitte to start this company, High Counselor. Now, the reason of starting High Counselor was that I observed that job seekers struggle with basically two major things. First is that they lack hands on work experience, right? A lot of candidates who are available on this call, probably if you're looking for a job, you would if you look deep inside, right, the primary reason that you're struggling, or probably definitely market is not that great, right? But what we understood is that it's the hands-on work experience or the industry experience which is keeping candidates behind, right? Which That's why a lot of candidates struggle. And when you don't have that industry experience, in interviews also you struggle because you are unable to come up with those storytelling, right, with the real implementation that you have done. uh, right, so that's where people struggle to find their dream job. And the solution that we identified at High Counselor was that if we could provide real work experience to candidates through remote internships or through practical projects for software engineer and data science candidates, it's possible to give them this real time work experience through projects in our virtual cloud environment. So yeah, these using these two ways, we could solve this problem of not having hands-on work experience and then helping them land a full-time job. We have So these two platforms, they are available on a pricing model on our platform. So the projects platform is available at $50 per month and $149 for 6 months. While the internships, if you need a remote internship to gain work experience, it's at a $500 a fixed fee. When you take the internship platform, you also get access to our projects platform subscription for 2 months. Right now, there is a discount going on, which is save 20 to get 20% discount on both the platforms, right? So if you're looking to gain work experience, want to add projects under your umbrella, your resume, your LinkedIn profile, these could be great resources for you. Okay, so feel free to use them. A lot of success stories. I always love to share the success stories because when we are in the job search journey, a lot of times we just need to see, okay, that there were a few people who were in my shoes, but they eventually able to land like their full-time job or great internships. These are some of the examples of candidates whom we helped land remote internships. Eventually they land full-time jobs as well. Okay. Okay, let's come to this event. Okay, so in the objective of this event is to merge learning with fun learning experience. Okay, we will use some concepts of data science in this particular event where we'll come up with some questions, some quizzes, but every question, every quiz is directed uh, toward uh, this this objective of helping you learn all those data science concepts. Okay. Now, here are some of the concepts that are very, very important uh, to land a software engineering or data science and even many other roles, right? So, for example, critical thinking is super important. Problem solving ability is very, very is the key of every data science role. Data analysis, you all know, right? The first time you receive data, that's like a buggy data. There is a lot of noise in that, right? So you need to have the data analysis skill. Fourth is curiosity and learning mindset, right? A lot of times, and I was talking to Dr. Amit this morning that I regret that in that there was a time of 3 to 6 months where I didn't spend a lot of time like learning new things, right? So that has to be there. Programming skills, we all know it's super important, and data security awareness. These are six skills that are extremely important for any data science roles. Now, in this particular event, we will be able to cover two or three of these skills. We cannot cover all these skills, right? It takes a lot of time. We'll try to keep this event to about 40-45 minutes, but we'll certainly try to cover two to three skills in this particular event. And then every week, when we are going to have this game show, we can pick one or more skills and we'll try to help you in those. Okay, so you can keep coming to these events, learn, as well as get some amazing gifts. Now, what are the rewards? So the rewards would be that we will distribute LinkedIn Premium subscription, a month of free LinkedIn Premium subscription to one person. We'll also distribute Netflix subscription. By the way, we strong we are big fan of Netflix using data science concepts, right? We all use Netflix, right? But they are using data science in an amazing manner, and that's where we would like to learn from it. And at the end, we'll also distribute Netflix subscription. Starbucks, there was a saying that America feed on donuts and fuel on Starbucks. So there will be Starbucks gift cards as well as Amazon gift card. So Amit sir, anything else that you want to cover before we get started with our very first question?
I guess if you can go back to the reward section, I'll
Mhm.
just. So last time, a lot of people like said that in the job search process, if you can provide directly something which is related to a job search process, that's why we have added this LinkedIn Premium subscription for you. A lot of us who are looking for internships or jobs, this can be very helpful. Apart from this, we also added Netflix because Netflix is a global product. It is available in each and every country. So people do watch a lot of series when they want to relax. So I believe all these gift cards and rewards is a good motivation now to come and participate in these kind of events. And all these events are completely free. We do not charge anything from them. So now we will start with the first question, and I'll be happy if you can. And I believe most of these questions are very generic in nature, so anybody can take a guess. So I would like everyone to participate and comment as soon as the question comes on the screen, and we'll go through your each and every, and we'll also see who answers it first, and who let we'll go into that details also.
Perfect.
Okay, so be ready.
So guys, here is the first question, and we'll have uh, 3 minutes of time for you to answer this question. Okay. So the first question is, which company extensively used okay, so this is specifically about 2023. It's not about in general. Okay, so in 2023, which company extensively used the following data science concepts: machine learning, predictive modeling, and data mining, right? We're not talking about like the overall use, but specifically for 2023. You can comment your guesses in the chat box.
Okay, Ellie Financials. Okay.
Let's see what people guess.
So the first question is, guys, which company used the science concepts the highest in 2023?
Exactly.
And I can see companies like Tesla,
Tesla
Nvidia,
did a great job too. Yeah, Tesla did a great job too.
machine
Yeah.
learning, Amazon, IBM, Spotify. I guess okay. One I get from Equine, Netflix. Then I have one from Tina, Microsoft. Aman says Netflix. Okay, Olgo says Google. Tina she says Netflix. Shiva says Tesla, Deloitte, IBM. And like you can guess multiple guesses also, guys. Don't worry. If let's say you you can take multiple guesses also. If you're firm at one, then definitely you can stay on the first question or your answer. Otherwise, Amazon, Netflix, Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, Spotify, JP Morgan. So one thing is for sure that A lot of companies have extensively used it, but there is one specific company which stands out. We'll be talking about that company also, and we'll take up some more questions from that company once we'll reveal that company. Okay.
Yes.
Meta, Google, Spotify. So a lot of people write Google. A lot of people have written JP Morgan. I know financial sector has produces a lot of data, and that's why we expect that. But we are talking not only in terms of generation of data, we are also talking about usage, the application, in the purpose of converting them into a product or converting them into a service or something as a feature. We are talking about in that sense. YouTube, OpenAI. I guess every company will come. OpenAI, OpenAI. Okay. Microsoft, Google, Meta, Apple.
Hmm.
Okay. Cisco, okay, new running Twitter, okay. A lot of people are answering multiple options. Microsoft, Meta, Google, Apple.
Okay, guys, I also want to know. Okay, once we finish this question, then I'll jump on that. Amit sir, I was wondering whether this event can be seen directly on our High Counselor page, like as someone when someone land on like directly our High Counselor page,
I'll go
would
and
be
check.
able to see it. Because I am an admin, so I don't see that. Right, as a user, just go to like High Counselor page and see at the top whether it's coming right over there.
Yeah, it's coming right over there.
Okay, okay,
It's coming right over there, and around almost like 70 people are live over there also.
okay, great, great.
Okay, so we are left with last few seconds in this question, guys. If you can know, and we'll go through your comments. Oracle, Samsung, Apple, Amazon. Hi, counselor. Thank you. We did use, but didn't use to that level. But I hope this will be true one day.
Okay, I think people have made enough guesses, and we can make it. We can reveal the answer. We're good to reveal.
Yeah, go. Let's go. And I guess the
So,
first person who guessed that answer was, I also identify that name.
guys, the answer is done. Netflix. In
Yes.
2023, Netflix used data science, these three concepts the most: machine learning, predictive modeling, and data mining. And I
And
think,
I believe
yeah,
uh, Equini, I hope I pronounced your names right. Venga, I believe she was the first one to answer it.
okay,
Netflix, and then Aman also followed it with Netflix. Those were the two people who answered that question. Yes, Netflix is this year has used extensively all those three concepts which was there on the screen. We specifically gave you that option also, that with you predictive modeling, machine learning, they have used it extensively. Other
mm,
companies have also used it, but Netflix was the lead runner in this concept wise usage.
perfect.
Okay, so thank you so much, guys. So many people participated, and now we can move on to our next question.
But Amit, sir, people would have a question that, okay, how would I get my gift? So what you need to
Yes.
do, what you need to do, you need to reach out to Dr. Amit on his LinkedIn profile, right? Just message him, right? That, hey, just send him a connect request, right? And add a note there that I'm the winner of this event. Can you please provide me the Netflix subscription detail? If you reach out to my LinkedIn inbox, it may get lost, right? I get like hundreds of messages every day. So reach out to Dr. Amit and he will provide you your Netflix subscription for a month. Okay, perfect. Let's move on to our second question, which is da, 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 let me share my screen again for everyone.
Yay, Vanga is Kush now. He's happy. Uh, that's great. That's great. If you are following, because these are some things which are, if we are working into industry, we should know
Hmm.
that about which companies are using what. So now the big question is, and this is also a very specific question, is what is the purpose of using Netflix using big data? Like They have used big data extensively in this year. So what was the purpose? Can you, we all know that what are the different options we see in Netflix. Okay, so if you can let us know what exactly did they created from big data, so that would be great. And there are certain options also, I guess, in this one.
I removed that option.
You
I
all remove that? Okay.
removed this option.
Okay, okay, okay.
I
I'm,
want
I'm
you
getting options.
to
I'm getting
see.
answers now. The first one is show recommendations. Okay, recommending content. So look, recommendation also is of different types. You have to
Yes.
be little specific now. Little specific. Okay, learning user habits. Okay, to understand customer behavior. Okay, that's very generic. I will say, but go very specific. I believe that would be great to get the better feel of their customers. And then as a Netflix, harness the power of big data to understand the customer behavior. Okay, a lot of comments are running very fast. Okay, customer behavior, context, advertisement on movies, of movies. Okay, personalized movie and TV shows, user experience, conduct customized marketing. I believe personalized recommendation, personalized content recommendation. A lot of people are writing personalized content, user habits, operational video streaming recommendation. So I believe one of the common answers which I have studied is recommendation,
Hmm.
personalized advertisements. Netflix, do they have advertisements? I don't know.
Yeah. No, so they have three level of subscription. One in which you get advertisements as well.
Okay, that means I am using a little higher one. To enhance their data and ML, viewing trends, vast data of data include personalized job search, job recommendation. Okay,
Personally, job recommendation on Netflix.
they are into job market also.
I have no idea.
I was not knowing that
That's
we have Netflix like competition.
competitors.
uh, Improve their model training and have better performance and real time predictions. Okay, data driven decision making. Okay, for operational efficiency, generate tailor recommendation. Okay, so we have last few seconds left, guys. You can post your answers. Netflix uses big data for which purpose? A specific answer. Very simple. Content based filtering. Okay, increase on revenue. That's a very very generic one. For delivering personalized content. Okay. User preference and behavior. We already had that answer so many times. Generate more money. Yes, Sagar. Absolutely. Sagar is enjoying this show, I believe. Okay, retention. To renew TV shows that they use for big data analytics, customer behavior, recommendation. Customer behavior is a very, very big field, guys. You have to be little specific when you're writing about customer behavior. Customer behavior are like so many things. If you have studied, if you go through that subject, I believe there are 16 chapters. I have taught that subject so many times. Okay, marketing strategies, content creation, drive success. Okay, so we can now reveal the specific answer for which big data they have used.
So they have used big data primarily for personalized viewing experience for individual movie recommendation.
Yeah, so basically that is, and this segment we need to, I believe, I have never not seen a single answer on personalized viewing point.
Yeah. And that too specifically for individual movie recommendation.
Yes, you have not, I have not seen, I've seen generic answers, but I have not seen very specific on personalized viewing.
Yes. For example, there's one guy said personalized recommendation, but it can be any personalized. Let's say let's I mean, so let's find like the closest one if we
Closest
can.
one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go
Because
ahead.
for the next, yeah, guys. So for the next three questions, two or three questions, we'll have one combined winner for that, right? So let's find someone who's like who gets closest possible answer.
Okay, so it started from here, I believe. Yes, show recommendations, uh, content recommendations. I believe that a lot of people in this segment, personalized user reaction is one of them, which I see a little close, but that is also not exactly close.
Then we can skip this question if we
Yeah,
don't.
I believe that nobody answered it that close this one,
Mm-hmm.
because everybody is right it in a very generic way. Analyze customer data, or this big data was specifically used for personalized viewing experience through
Mm-hmm.
individual recommendation. That was the exact answer, but nobody, I've not seen a single answer which talked about personalized viewing experience.
So
Okay,
guys,
pass for this one. We saved our gift now.
let's do this one. In the next question, I'll give you options as well, right? So that we land to the exact one. Let me share my
Okay.
screen.
Okay. Ashley says, yeah, Ashley was the only one I find where she says that, okay, it says recommendation. So personal video recommendation is what he or she has. I don't know. Is answered by Ashley. So I believe that that could be the closest one.
Okay. Okay. Then we can have like Ashley for the winner of question number two.
Yeah. Okay, Ashley, we got your point, and we consider you for this one. Okay.
Perfect. Congrats, Ashley. Let's move on to question number three. Among these options, which one has the most complex algorithm, right? And this is specifically for Netflix, right? So this,
Again, a Netflix question, guys, because we have focused this first two, because we'll also let you know that why we are focused more on this Netflix. We'll give you an option for that also. But these are the four options you have among
Mhm.
all these four, and this in this one will take up the first attempt. Like
Yeah,
who gives the first answer correctly?
exactly. So I mean, you cannot guess like okay, A, B, C, D. That won't work,
Ah,
right?
don't write like ABCD. Yes, true.
Yeah.
Okay, option C. So we have to go. You have to see.
So when I share my screen, I'm not able to like see comments.
But I am able to see. I'll read it for you. But a lot of people are just writing A, B, C. So nothing to read. B, D. Okay. Thank you guys. You're participating with such high engagement.
Hmm.
And trust me, guys, there is another game coming up very soon, and that will test you. Uh, this will just be starting with a little fresher ones, and then we'll give you a little tougher one as well. Okay, so moving on, we see A, continue watch ranker, personalized video ranking. A, a lot of people are saying A, but I can see what was the A option. So the A option was personalized video ranking. A continues watching ranker. Mhm. And we can keep like a less time for these questions, because I believe someone will answer it very quickly.
Yep. Okay, so we're good with this one. You
Yeah,
have you
I
got all
guess
the?
we
I
are good.
cannot see
Good.
comments.
Last,
Like,
last, last 15 seconds, guys. Let's go. 15, 14, 13. Give it a try. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
three.
2, 1.75. 1.5. Okay, guys, thank you. Okay,
Okay, so who's the
Okay,
winner of this one?
so
I'm
before,
sure a lot of people have guessed it right because there were clear options in front.
so in the top, who answered it first?
Yep.
I guess it started with Ashley's comment. We'll go to back to that comment. Okay. If you can reveal the answer, Aditya, in the meanwhile,
Yes. So
why?
the answer of this question was option number A, personalized video ranking. That's where they have written the most complex algorithm. So the answer is A, and let's see who's the winner.
And I'm still looking for the answer. Retention. Who gave an answer for this one? I said that. Okay. Okay. I guess Ashley. I got the comment from Ashley now. A lot of people says last time they were very close. Yeah. So it started from C. And what was the first option?
The first one,
Personalized.
personalized video ranking.
So Nikita Pedi is the winner.
Nikita Pede. Okay.
Right. Nikita Pedi. Nikita, congratulations for this one. I guess she was the second one to answer this, and she guessed it right.
Perfect. Congrats, Nikita. And you need to reach out to Dr. Amit. Amit, sir, your inbox is going to be flooded with
Only
messages.
only people who are winner who are going to send me this message rather than everyone sending me. So I believe that till now, Ashley, Nikita, and one more. I have Queen. I guess there are three people.
Yes.
I will just note it down so that I can just entertain those people rather than everybody was writing it to me.
Perfect.
Okay.
So, guys, these were questions related to Netflix, right? I hope you learned a few important things about, and it's very important to whenever I mean, if you're preparing for data science related job roles, thoroughly study everything about Netflix, their model, recommendation. There are great case studies available on High Counselor platform as well. On our projects platform, we have a project which is specifically related to OTT platforms, right? So if you haven't checked it out, I'll share a link with you guys shortly. But where there on our platform, highcounselor.com/projects, let me also show you. So when you go to our website, uh, here you have the internship option, but on here on the second option, which is projects, you'll find one project over here which is very close to Netflix recommendation system. Okay, I'll share link with you shortly as well. So if you want to learn and do everything end to end, you can probably create this project on our platform, add it to your portfolio, show it to recruiters and hiring managers. Okay, let's move on to next question. So how many MB or KB? Okay, this is a little bit of this is just MB and this is probably KB. Okay, so how many KB or MB, that is kilobyte or megabyte of data, does an average user create per second? And the answer of this question lie anywhere between 10 KB to 1 GB of data per second. Okay, and I know like it's not possible to guess the exact number. Say like, okay, for 550 GB of 550 MB of data per day, right? But whoever is the closest will take that person as a winner. So 10 KB to 1 GB, it lies between this particular range. And I was surprised to see that answer that okay, we are generating that much of data every single second. So guys, the time starts now.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we can help you by giving you a little narrowing it down for your option.
Yes, I mean, if you are too far,
10
we'll
kb.
narrow it down.
Only 10 kb. Oh, that's very less. I believe 1000 kb, 50 MB, 10 MB, 10 Mbps. That's not a it's a speed. Uh, 50 MB, 1024 kb. That means almost 1 MB. 1 MB. Okay. About 2 MB. Okay. 1.7 MB. Okay. zero point 0.5 Mbps.
Hmm.
The question screen shows different question, Aditya.
Screen shows different question. Oh, sorry, my bad. Let me update the question. Da-da-da. I think everybody knows question, right? So somebody just asked like what was the code to save 20% on high counselor internships? Okay, let me we forgot about that part. Guys, let me add it on the screen for if you guys need it.
27, 10 MB, 10 MB, 1.69 Mbps. Okay. 1.699999. Okay. People are getting too specific. 1 Mbps, 27 KB. Personally, I am enjoying this session, to be very honest, because most of the earlier sessions which we do, either we are too serious on those sessions,
Yep.
but this one I am really enjoying. It's fun. I can't see the question. The question is, I repeat again, hey, Aditya, if you can repeat that question again.
Yes, the question, guys, it's pretty straightforward and simple. How many KB or MB, which is kilobyte or megabyte of data, does an average user create per second? Every single second, what's how much data an average user is creating on internet?
Okay, guys, quick, quick, quick. This is again, we want to move faster now.
Okay, let me add it here. Okay, guys. So one person who asked like, what is the code? So the code is save 20 to get 20% discount for uh, projects platform and remote internship subscription on High Counselor platform. Okay, do we have the right or the closest answer, Amit sir? I think we can,
I
guys.
guess I saw that answer very early in the, and I know that person. If you can just let the answer note the people, and then I'll announce that name.
Okay, so
That will
guys,
save our time.
yes, the right answer is 1 second. Okay, yep. So the right answer is 1.7 MB per second. An average
And
user.
that answer was given by Rishabh.
Rishabh. Okay.
Rishabh was the first one who was exactly 1.7. That was given by him, and later on he also gave it 1.6999. So he started with about 2 MB, then he gave 1.7, then he gave 1.69. So I gave Rishabh Jain is the one who answered the most close, exactly the same, I believe. No.
Perfect.
So okay, so I'm interested to hear how some people have estimated these numbers. If anyone wants to share their feel, yeah. So how did somebody wants to know that? How did you exactly know? Either you have googled it,
Yes. Okay.
maybe, maybe. Don't worry, because look, even searching the right information on Google is also a skill. To be very honest,
Mm-hmm.
we also know that a lot of people they even don't know what to search and how to search on Google. That is also a specific skill.
But at the same time, like we have to be a little bit mindful and cognizant as well, right? That I mean, we recently we were uh, I mean, we are guys, we are also currently hiring at High Counselor for the business analyst role in for remote location in India. And we gave three tasks to candidates, and a lot of candidates responded back with their solutions, but the solutions were like the exact copy of chat gpt responses, right? So you're allowed to use chat gpt, but you should use the brain on top of it, right? Then I think it's a perfect mix. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Let me share my screen again. Da, 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 da. Okay, next question, guys. Everyone, 90% of total internet data was created in recent times. Now you have to guess that what that recent time is.
Time frame.
Time frame, yeah. It can be anywhere between 10 days to 5 years. So you can, it can be like, you can say, okay, 12 days, 3 years, 3.5 years, 12 months, 14 months. It can be anything between 10 days to 5 years. But 90% of total internet data is what we are talking about. Guess the time in which this much of data was generated. Okay, by the way, Rishabh, do reach out to Dr. Amit for your gift, which was basically 1 month of LinkedIn premium subscription, by the way. Okay. Ta-da-da. So the question is, it's clear for everyone, guys. You can please uh, hit thumbs up so that I get to know that you are aware of the question. We are talking about estimating a time in which 90% of total internet data was generated in the recent time. It can be anywhere between 10 days to 5 years.
Come on, come on. Let's see who answers this one. 18 months, last 2 years. Okay, 2 years, 2 years, last 2 years, 3 years, 12 months, 2.5 years, 12 months, 2 years, 5 years, 3 years. Any option is not left. 10 years. 10 years is not an option also. It's zero. Like from till 5 years, you have to answer. 18 months, last 2 years, 3.5 years, 2 years, 2 years. Rishabh about 2 years. A lot of people are answering it 2 years. Okay, guys, we'll not be giving a lot of time for this one. Like, we need to move to our next round also, guys. So be quick, be quick.
Okay, let's take probably another 30 seconds. 30 seconds for this, and then we'll move on to our next question.
Okay.
And actually, next question will be our last question for the day. Let's see what people have guessed so far. 5 years, 6 years during the COVID pandemic? Yes, but how long was that period? Optimized content delivery. Da, da, da. I'm not getting the updated comments. Amit, sir, are you able to see the updated
I'll
comments?
just read it. Last 5 years, right? Yeah, I can see that. Last 5 years, 2 years. So I believe that we can display the answer and I'll let you know who is the winner. I have already noted it.
Okay, so guys, the answer is 2 years. We generated 90% of internet data in the last 2 years.
And the winner for this one is Anand Gupta. Anand was the first one to write is uh, Duron tried it first and she wrote 2.5, but exactly 2 years was written by Anand. So
Perfect.
congratulations. You were quick. Very, very quick. That third comment was from Anand.
So, Anand, congratulations, and you will get your Starbucks gift card from Dr. Amit. Please reach out to him. Now, I'll stop contacting Dr. Amit until he delivers all the gift. So I don't know him.
uh,
Okay, so Amit, sir,
okay.
I'll let you read this last question, right?
Okay.
And explain what exactly people need to do here.
Okay, guys. So this is a very interesting game, and I would love that to see that who is the winner of this one. This is because now you will see a list of jumbled alphabet on the next slide, which we will be showing you. Your job is to form the names of animal in such a way that no alphabet should be left unused. So I will recommend everyone to come up with a piece of paper with your hand, a piece of paper or pen, or use all the alphabets. No alphabet should be left. That means there would be specific names which, and when I say animal, animal says it could be a wild animal, it could be any kind of animal, it could be insect also, it can be a bird also, it could be anything. But
Yeah.
in test your problem solving skills, that how you can see a very wide data, a large amount of data, and how you can bring a peaceful information out of it. I
Mhm.
hope this the rule is clear. If you can just let us know in the rule that whether you are able to understand the rule, you will see next jumbled alphabets. Some of the alphabets might be repeating also. You need to make the name of animal. When I say animal, it can be wild animal, pet animal, it could be anything. Like it would be
A bird.
insect, anything. Is the rule is clear? You will get 5 to 10 minutes. I believe 5 minutes. We'll see who's, and you can start making and start commenting right away, because you might not be able to guess all of them, because I believe it will be around seven. So you can make
Yeah.
seven out of that. So I know that you might not be able to complete all the seven. If you are able to do it, I will be very, very happy. But if you are not able to do it, we'll see that how many of you have made it the maximum for this round.
And guys, you don't have to like wait uh, until the end until you find all, because we'll
No, no,
consider
no. You
okay,
start commenting, because
who
we'll be the
continuously.
winner based on comments, right? So you start
Yes.
commenting right away as soon as start forming.
Yep. You need to start guessing right from the beginning.
There will be seven animal names which you can form from this list of alphabets.
Yep.
Kindly go for it. Make seven names. As soon as you make the first one, write it right away.
Okay. Let me log into my phone so that I can see comments there, as I cannot see it on my screen right now.
I'm giving you a specific number as well, guys. Seven is the number which you have to frame from these alphabets.
Yep.
Okay, so I guess the first one which I see is lion. Okay, rat.
Guys,
B.
you have to make sure that you use all the letters, right? So if you guess a wrong
If you
animal,
are making, if you will not match my seven number, that means you are not on the right direction.
yes, or you come up with seven that use all these letters, and
Yeah,
nothing is left there.
we have tested it. I believe that is the seven only that can be formed out of it.
Yes.
Okay, I can even let you know that who is going the right track. I can let you know who is not going on the right track. So Anand, you're not going in the right track. Sagar not going on the right track. Okay, Jennifer. Okay, Shiva not going in the right track. Vamsi not going in the right track. Okay, I can see one person going in the very, very right track. Okay, lion, rabbit, tiger, ape, parrot. I guess,
I think Amit, you should start telling, okay, this one is right, right, so that we can
yeah. Okay,
people can.
I hope
Otherwise,
that way.
they'll
I
be
hope that
wandering around here and there.
way. Okay, so we can start with the first answer which I saw, which was right. It started from here. So I first one I saw from Sagar. So fox is the right answer. If you have made fox, it's a correct answer. So Sagar
So
was the first one to make fox.
yeah, but there's still six left.
Yeah, Jennifer made another one correct, and that was giraffe.
Okay, so
So
fox and
fox,
giraffe are two.
fox and giraffe. So Sagar made rabbit, so rabbit is a wrong answer. Rabbit. Shiva made another third one, which was correct. Shiva made it first, and that was zebra. So the first three are clear now.
Yep.
Fox, then you had giraffe, I guess. Yes, giraffe and zebra. Rabbit was not true. Tiger is not correct. Ape is not correct. Parrot is not correct. Rat is not correct. Fox again came. Rishabh was the fourth guy who made, but still I don't see any one person making two right away.
Yes.
Rishabh
I
answer
think,
was
yeah.
butterfly, but that's a tough one. Rishabh, very good. That's the toughest one, I believe, to identify.
I think Amit, sir, now we should not tell what are the right answers so that
Yeah.
we can choose the winner at the end, right?
Yes.
Otherwise,
So
yeah.
I've helped you by naming four.
Four. You need to
Uh,
still three, right?
find the next three, and these guys have already, I guess, the maximum probability now, because they have already guessed one correct, and they know the other three also.
Yep.
Ape is not correct. Tiger is not correct. Monkey is not correct. Tiger, monkey, elephant. Repel has written everything.
There is now. M is not even there in this list, I guess.
Yasra says, wow. Guys, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed. We took a lot of time invested into this to frame this game. And we're bringing a lot of interesting games in this one. Uh, okay, I still say, Shiva says, frog. Frog is not correct. Again, I don't know. Aman, you says, what is this? Buzzer winch. I don't know which animal is this one. Buzzer winch. I don't know. Frog is not correct, guys. Don't make frog. Tang not correct. Rabbit not correct. Elephant not correct. So how many answer we already told them? I guess four we have already
We have
answered.
told four, right? So
Right. Guys, still waiting for the three next. I see one more. Can I name one?
yes, yes, let's do that.
Okay, so I see one from Deepika. She says pig. Pig is the correct answer. Pig is correct. So now you have okay, turtle. Turtle. I know turtle can be formed, but if you make turtle, alphabets will be left.
Mhm.
Alphabets will be left if you make turtle. Okay, I still waiting for Deepika says goat. Deepika is trying very hard not to get the next one right. But still, none of them was correct. Bear, beetle, pig, fox. Beetle is not correct. Crocodile, no. Crocodile is not correct.
But for crocodile, you need to have C. There is no C.
Okay. Uh, Anand says polar bear. No, Anand, no polar bear. I don't see P here. I don't see any P. Okay,
C is
one
there.
one
No, no, C is there.
lamb is not correct. Lizard is not correct. Jaguar is not correct. I don't know which animal is left now. Try
Okay.
think another way, guys. I give you a guess. Think of any animal who lives on ice. Maybe this one helps. This one helps you. Lives on ice. Alligator. B. B doesn't live on ice. In a cold environment, I'll say.
Yeah, guys, let's take last 1 more minute, right? Dr. Amit sir, it's already past one. We can take like 1 more minute for everyone else to guess
Mhm.
and come up with the answer.
But still, this I believe this doesn't have. Okay, I get one. It's penguin. It's true. Penguin is correct. So now we have answered
Six.
six. Only the last one is left. So anybody who gives the final one, and which is a very simple one, I believe. Anyone who has already answered first one correct, and if he gets the second one, that would be guys. Try for the last one. It's the easiest one. It's a four-letter word.
Hmm.
Four-letter word. Seal is not correct. Four-letter word. Whale not correct. Owl not correct. Falcon not correct. Penguin. Okay. Krill
No.
not correct. Owl not correct. Bat not correct. Ox not correct. One last uh, animal is left, and I'm still not able. Yes, I got one. Okay, I got the answer, but I unfortunately it's not from the same person. So Tina says wolf, and I guess one person also from. Uh, so wolf is the correct answer, guys. So the seven animals which are from that list are fox, wolf, pig, zebra, giraffe, penguin, and butterfly. These
Uh,
are the only seven animal you can make out of those numbers, and no other alphabet will be left.
and who's our winner?
Unfortunately, none of them. Like, I guess we should give it to one
Yes.
who
Which is it?
identified the most difficult one. Most difficult, I guess, butterfly. That was identified by, uh, I guess, Rishabh. But Rishabh has already got one. So I'll give it to next person who has given giraffe. The answer giraffe, because that was also a little tough. And let me identify. Who is that person who? Oh, there are a lot of comments this time. So, guys, how did you like this game? I really like to know that.
Yep.
Did you like this game? Did you find it productive? Because this is something uh, which could the game seems to be little easy, like at least to understand, but it's not easy to make it in a
Yep.
Okay, so I'll give it to Giraffe. Yeah. So Jennifer was the person, and Jennifer gave two answer correct, I believe. Jennifer also gave one answer, which was uh, zebra and giraffe. So I believe it goes to Jennifer. Jennifer Berito. Quick and toughest word she has made. The first two.
Perfect. I also found, so congratulations, Jennifer, for guessing the right answer, and you'll get the Amazon gift card. Please reach out to Dr. Amit for your gift. And in this duration, Amit sir, I also found one project that we were discussing about Netflix. So I
Mhm.
found a very similar project that people can do, and they can learn a lot from it. Right. So, guys, let me share my screen. I think you guys would be very, very interested in that particular project.
And we are live from more than 1 hour, guys. Thank you so much. You are staying live with us.
Yes. So, guys, when you go to highcounselor.com/projects, right, search for this project, Insta Insights, analyzing user behavior in Instagram using SQL. This project will give you a very close analysis to the user behavior that people have on like Netflix, and it will give you a very good learning experience for both SQL and Python. Okay, so you can find this into our projects platform. Okay, so this is the end of our new game show that we just started, and every time it will be much more bigger. It will be We'll come up with amazing gifts, right, with amazing knowledge as well, and it will be more vibrant. Amit sir, you want to add anything before we wrap up?
I personally very enjoyed this session, guys. If you can also let us know, did you enjoy it or not?
Yes.
Thank you so much. And did you had fun playing these all games? And very soon we'll be coming up very interesting games, guys, which will test your creativity, will test your problem solving, test your memory skills, everything which you require as a data in a data role or in a job, I believe, because a lot of things are generic in nature, which we believe a person should have. So I
Yeah.
believe you enjoyed this session. This was really fun. A lot of people are saying, Anand says it was fun. And guys, I would request because we also want to make this session bigger and louder to reach out to more people. So
Yep.
we would really request that this video will go live on YouTube also, and you can ask other people. You can share this that particular game which I just we did right away, the animal name. You can share it with other people also, and you can let them know that if they are really smart, they can solve it and solve it in this particular time amount of time, because we took also a lot of time to solve it. I was not able to solve it. I guess the first six in the right way, but my seventh word which I made was turtle, and because of that, three words were left. So I have to reframe it again to find butterfly. So that's the butterfly was the little toughest one. But somebody who guessed it, hats off to those people who made butterfly in the right way. Rishabh, good job. I saw your my answer.
No, and guys, these skills, I mean, they go a long way, right? I mean, these days people don't hire resumes. Trust me, they hire attitude, they hire the smartness, and and your employer would be able
Uh,
to see it, right, in your day to day.
project. People are asking for the project again, Aditya. If you can let them know the project platform
Yes.
and other,
So, okay, let me
able
go
to, I guess,
to,
we're not able to follow you in that.
yes. So, guys, what you need to do is simply go to our website, which is highcounselor.com, right? When you go to our website, there is a section called projects right here on the top, right? When you see it over here. So you go to projects. When you go to projects, we have about 80 projects in software engineering and data science domain. For data science, we have about like 40, 45 real world project that you can complete, create, and your portfolio will be created that you can share on your LinkedIn, your resume. You can literally say that I may not have experience as a data analyst or data scientist, but look at the real world project, the real code that I've done. That's the biggest piece missing now. The Netflix thing that we discussed, right, we have a project very close to it. When you search in select project name, you can just search for like Insta. Okay, and then a project would come up which would say Insta Insights, analyzing user behavior in Instagram. Okay, so this project will give you very close insights on how the user behavior pattern works, what companies look for. You can build this project end to end into into our cloud platform. Okay, and at the end it will be available uh, as your portfolio that you can show it to recruiters. And apart from this project, if you want to gain work experience, You can also do remote internship with companies that are available on our platform. So in data science domain, for data analysts, data scientists, business analysts, we have like more than 100 companies right now who would be happy to take you as an intern for 2 to 6 months. So if you're interested in that, you can enroll on our remote internships platform, and remember to utilize save 20 as a promo code, which will be available for the next 2 days to get a 20% discount on both the platforms. Okay.
Okay, so Tina says, I'm happy to learn that I'm in the right direction. Yes, Tina, there are some certain skills which are not like easily available, to be very honest. People can learn Python, that's not a problem. But to solve a problem, critical thinking, problem solving skills, these things are very difficult to learn. This is not something which you can, it needs a sharp mind and it needs continuous practice to think in a logical way to solve a particular problem, right? So I'm
Mhm.
really happy the people who participated in it and they appreciated our effort. We'll come back soon with more such interesting games, and we'll try to bring in some puzzles from direct from the interviews, which with companies, because we do have a lot of candidates with us who lands up into a job in top companies, and they do play such games or puzzles or solve that puzzles in the real time environment. So we'll try to bring those also to these sessions.
Mhm.
So stay connected. But for our next project sessions also, we'll do a lot of online activities. But I believe we had a good session and we'll come back again.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you so much, everyone, for your
Thank you so
participation. We
much,
look
guys.
forward to
Thank
meeting you
you.
in the next event. See you. Bye.